What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fish and Grubs. Today we're here to unbox a giant box here from Karl's Bait and Tackle. So today, folks, today's video is sponsored by ye old Karls. Just gotta let you guys know that Karl's Bait and Tackle will have all of your tackle needs, from the saltwater stuff to the freshwater stuff. And if you are a Karls Club member, you can save a ton of money. You can also save $10 off your order of $25 or more with the code GRUBS10, and that is if you are a Karls Club member. So make sure you sign up. You can save a bunch. You can be the first to get stuff. There's free shipping on almost everything in the shop. Definitely not on the rods, that I know for a fact, but almost everything else, free shipping. Shop Karls. Make sure you're a Karls Club member so you can save today. So, that being said, I got a bunch of stuff to get ready for the saltwater season. That's what we got in this unboxing. Padding in here. What do we got here? Quick little deal from the Von Dibble. Pretty sweet. Now, up first, I have 3 packs of 5-inch door matadors. Now, these things are phenomenal. These are the door matadors, and I'm going to be using these for fluke. And, you know, everybody uses gulp out there. Gulp is great and all, but gulp cannot do this. Can you guys even see that? These things will last you all freaking day. And the other cool thing is you can like take gulp juice and like leave it in the gulp juice. The only thing is with ZMan products, you cannot. Oh, and it does have a stink to it. It's not as pungent, but it does have a stink. And these things here will not rip. You can use them all day. You will save so much money, and the pack is cheaper. And on Shop Karls, I got 3 packs. I think each pack was like $3 because I'm a Karls Club member. And they stink. They do stink. And if you put them in gulp juice, they'll stink even longer. And they'll last forever. That is the good thing about the ZMan products. But again, what I was going to say is you don't want to put ZMan products in with your other soft plastics, like in a tackle box. They will melt together. ZMan plastic does not mesh well with other plastics. They do fine with each other. But yeah, we're stoked. We got the pink glow. Sick. The pearl. And the nuked chicken. Those are the 3 colors we went with. Next up, I had to buy another pack of the Skelly Swims. These things work so well on the stripers, and we're going to catch bluefish. We're going to catch everything that swims out here with these things pretty much. Lots of stripers will be caught on these this year, so had to get another pack. And I was surprised at how long these last as well. So last but not least, and this is what I'm looking forward to the most, because I've never opened up one of these. If you guys didn't know, Catchco paired up with Badfish. They are now partners, owners of, I don't know how it works, but we got a Badfish Box. On Karls, you can get Badfish Boxes. You can get the Redfish Box, you can get the Striper Box. Obviously, we don't have redfish up here, so I got the Badfish Striper Box. This is my first ever opening of a Badfish Striper Box, so I'm really stoked for this. So, grab that baby like some sort of little map here and some captain's tips. Huh, that's really cool. So on this map, it's telling you where to use what lures that maybe are in here. We'll see. It looks like a Jolly Roger, a Battletail, a Bad Bucktail, and a Resin Ball. So, first up in here we have a gator, or in today's world, a mask, which is great. Love that. Next up, a Bad Bucktail. Damn, that looks good. Tell me that doesn't look great. Hot diggity dog. This is a 1/2 ounce bucktail. So we could use this on stripers or fluke, which is cool. That's the cool thing about bucktails. You can use these on stripers, you can use them on fluke, whatever you want. We have the Jolly Roger. Next up on our list. And this thing looks great. I love the fact, check this out guys, the back hook is a single hook while the middle hook is a treble. And I know a lot of saltwater guys out here, especially Joey, he likes to always switch out that back treble hook for a single hook. And these guys have already done it, they've already taken the time. And there's a reason for that, ladies and gentlemen. It's because when the bluefish and the stripers are running together, the bluefish tend to hit the back of the bait while the stripers tend to just hit it right in the center, or right in the head. So to have the treble up in the front for the stripers and have the single hook in the back for the bluefish makes it a lot easier to get them suckers off. They very rarely hit the middle treble, almost always do they get that back hook. So that is a great reason to switch out your treble hooks for single hooks. Holy mother of God. So we got 2 paddle tails. One of them is, and they are called battle tails. One of them is 6 inches, the other is 4.5. I tend to stick to a 3.5 inch, and that's why I went with these heli swims, because these are 3.5 inch. So then we get 2 sizes bigger. We got a 4.5 inch pink. These look sick. These will catch anything. We could put these down for fluke and stuff as well. And then we get the 6 inches. These things are huge. This is a white color, what they call it, cream cheese. That is a massive paddle tail. Looks great though. We will throw it. We will throw it and we will get chewed. Guaranteed. Badfish approved. So everything in this box is from Badfish. I thought these were going to be like baits from different companies. These are all Badfish baits. This is the resin bomb. This thing is sick. This will catch anything from stripers to albies. You can drop it down for sea bass, and it is a single hook and not a treble hook on the back there. The resin bomb. 1 ounce resin bomb. Heavy duty resin jig. Super freaking cool. Last but not least, a dope Badfish sticker. Super into that one. Join the crew. Excellent, excellent. Impressed, to say the least. I am impressed. We got a ton of cool baits in here. Tons of stuff that we're going to be able to use. This cool little doodad, just in case you're just learning. But I'm pumped for that box. That was a dope box. Hopefully we can do some more work with Badfish coming up, and get some of their monthly stuff. But that was awesome. Now, I think we're going to have to take that thing out and try and catch some stripers on it. What do you guys think? I think that is a must. So, we're going to get out on the water with some of these products real soon. The stripers are going to be up here extremely soon, and we can actually target some holdovers maybe with some of these items we got here. So, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure to go on over to Karls if you're not already. Make sure to go on over to Karls if you're not already a Karls Club member. Use code GRUBS10 to save yourself $10 off of your order of $25 or more, and help support the channel. I really appreciate it. If you are not subscribed already, I do appreciate hitting the subscribe button, hit that bell as well.
Yeah, baby.
We'll catch you on the next one. Fish on.
Wonder if all my bad decisions get accounted in the algorithms. No statistician could dissuade me from my bigger vision. I know my occupation's quite an unlikely place in this world to occupy and talk about upon a daily basis. Our information's predetermined by some biased business. We all in sermon to silicon that push out lovely neighbors. I'm done with paper chasing, think I'm on to bigger banquets. This that full circle, new wave, energy on a Tuesday.